In this video, you will see how to remove hanging indent in Word document. At last, I will show you the keyboard shortcut. To remove the hanging indent, first you need to select all the hanging indents. Then right click after highlighting the indents. Go to the paragraph option. Make sure you have clicked here on indent and spacing option. Under the indentation, here you will see the option of hanging next to the spatial. So you just need to click on the hanging, and instead of hanging, you need to select the option none, and you can see the preview here, and then click on OK. So this is one method to remove hanging indent. The another method is after selecting the hanging indents, press and hold the control key on your keyboard, then press shift and T to remove hanging indent in Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved to your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about indent in Word.